Put lights on, painted it, painted the fenders, still black. The gas tank on bag, tools and stuff. Still got to hook up the kill switch. The carburetor on the breather, Koonie carburetor. Painted the little pipe face. Added a battery for the lights. Let this fuel get enough. Still need to tune the carburetor. Light, I'm gonna change it to LED light pretty soon. Be a lot brighter. Change it to LED do a little riding video. On a little straight part that don't have no bumps, so I can really get into it a little bit. Well, got a pretty good amount of power, 260 pounds. Update, like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.